Hello everybody, welcome into the shop. This video is part 1 of 2 of making a coffee table. Today we do all the joinery on the legs and put all the dowels in and everything else. You'll have to watch the video to see what we do. But hopefully you enjoy the video. And if you're not already, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Also, Giles Woodshop hats now available. I'll put the link in the description so you can check them out. So we're going to start here by making this base, and I think we're going to use this piece here because this one here has really straight grain and little to no knots, so we can use that one for the top. And this one here we can pick out what we need for the base and use that. And it still looks beautiful. I might even go with a dark base. I'm not 100% sure yet on whatever I'm doing. I just have an idea in my head and we're going to go with it for now. So let's get this cut down and shaped to the size we'll need for the base. Let's do it. So here's the design. We're gonna have this set up so it faces out like that. And that'll be our leg system that we're gonna make up. So I think I'm gonna use screws into this and plug it with dowels just so it makes it look really good. And yeah, let's get to drilling some holes for the screws. Now we have these glued up, and I'm just trying to scrape out as much of this squeeze out here as I can. And this is the shape that it's going to be, and we're going to put a cross section across on the inside here. And we're going to plug these holes with dowels so it puts a little bit of an offset to the color of it, and it should look nice. This is where it's at so far. Now we got to make another one like it and figure out what size we need to put in here. So let's do it. We just finished up the leg here and it looks pretty good. I think it's gonna look really nice when it's done. And now we're gonna cut out another part here and let it sit to dry. So let's get to it. So I have these dowels here now. I'm just gonna take all these and plug every single little hole that I made in that, and then when we sand it down, it'll put a nice little offset in it, and it'll make it look beautiful. So let's get to plugging. Also made a video on making this mallet if you wanted to check it out. Here's a little tip: if you take a little hole and put it into like a business card or a playing card or something like that, and you slide that over the dowel, so when you cut it with your saw, you'll have that gap there and you won't scratch up your wood. So let's get to cutting off these dowels. We're just going to take these and sand down the dowels. So I just put a bit of finish on these two dowels here just so you can see how it'll look in the end. And that'll be the entire leg. We'll have two here and two here, two here and two here, so that it just makes it look even. And I really like the offsetted dowels, that's why I use them mainly. And yeah, let's put them out and see what they're gonna look like when they're on the paper. So this is the final base here. This is what it's gonna look like when it's on the table. We did a 5-degree angle on everything, so it just makes it look a bit more crisp and adds a little bit of strength to it. In the next video, we'll attach the top to the base and finish it all. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Here's another look at those dowels, just so you can see it. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, next week we'll have the rest of the build out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.